In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Minecraft from Google Play Store for free. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth experience. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. You will see a colorful logo that looks like a triangle made up of different colors. This is your gateway to millions of apps and games. Once the store is open, you will notice a search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you will type in the name of the app you want to download. Opening the Google Play Store is crucial because it is the official platform for downloading apps on Android devices. This guarantees that you are getting the legitimate version of the app. Next, search for Minecraft using the search bar. Simply tap on the search bar and type in Minecraft. As you type, you will see suggestions that pop up below. Look for Minecraft in the list of suggestions. It's important to find the correct app, as there are many lookalikes out there. The official Minecraft app is developed by Mojang, so make sure you select the one that shows their name. This step is vital because downloading the official version ensures you have access to all the features and updates. Once you find Minecraft, select the official app by Mojang. You'll recognize it by its distinct icon featuring a blocky landscape. Tap on the app to view more details. Here you will see a brief description of the game, ratings, and screenshots. This information helps you confirm that you have selected the right Minecraft app. Choosing the official app matters because it guarantees a safe download, protecting your device from potential malware or scams. Now tap the price button. You will notice it is marked with a dollar amount. This indicates that Minecraft is a paid app on Google Play. Once you tap the button, you will be redirected to the payment screen. Completing this action is essential because it initiates the purchase process for the game. You will be asked to confirm your payment method before proceeding. Next, complete the payment. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your purchase. You may need to enter your payment details or confirm a previously stored method. This part is crucial because it secures your transaction and grants you access to the full version of Minecraft. After the payment is processed, you will see a confirmation message which assures you that your purchase was successful. After that, the game will begin downloading automatically. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the game has been downloaded. This step is exciting because it means you are almost ready to play. Once the download is complete, the game will install on your device. This process ensures that everything is set up properly for you to enjoy a seamless gaming experience. Finally, tap the play button to start the game. You will see the Minecraft logo, followed by the main menu. This is where your adventure begins. Enjoy exploring, building, and crafting in the world of Minecraft. Remember, the official full version is a paid app, so always ensure you are downloading from the Google Play Store to avoid any issues. By following these steps, you ensure a safe and enjoyable gaming experience. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting!